Introducing the 2024 Citroen C4 Puretech 100 EU6 4 MY30 in sleek grey. This hatchback is not just any vehicle, it's a masterpiece of comfort, safety and style. With a 1.2-litre petrol engine and manual transmission, it's the perfect combination of power and efficiency. Loaded with features like air conditioning, satellite navigation and rear heater controls, this car has everything you need for a smooth ride. Safety is a top priority with ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. But that's not all. This Citroen also boasts a stop and start system, energy recuperation, and self-driving capabilities. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer servicing, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't wait. Call us today or visit our website, linders.ie, to learn more about this amazing vehicle. Take your driving experience to the next level with the 2024 Citroen.